Squeeze.
Squeeze.
She squeezed a bit of lemon juice into her tea. Wring.
Wring.
She wrung out the wet towel to remove excess water. Scratch.
Scratch.
The dog left a scratch on my leg. Crumple.
Crumple.
He crumpled the paper and threw it in the trash. Smash.
Smash.
She smashed her piggy bank to use the savings for her birthday party. Chipped.
Chipped.
I dropped my favorite mug, and now it's chipped. Crack.
Crack.
There is a crack in the wall. Broken.
Broken.
The window is broken after the storm. Crush.
Crush.
Crush the garlic before adding it to the sauce. Press.
Press.
Press the start button to begin the game.